Hi there, what's up? In this video, I will give you a very quick tutorial on how you can log into MoneyGram account. So before starting, make sure that you have your email and password ready, and this will help you access your account quickly to send, receive, or track money. So first, you will go to the MoneyGram website, and once you're here, you will just have to click the login button and wait for it to load. And now, what you will do is enter your registered email and password, and then you will just have to complete any verification steps if prompted. For example, the OTP will be sent via your email or SMS, and then you will just have to click sign in, and you'll be taken to your account dashboard, and then you will just have to check your recent transactions and account details. And yeah, that's basically just it. And of course, you have to make sure that all information is correct so that you will be able to fully access your MoneyGram account. And yeah, that's basically just it. Again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and have an awesome day.